Five of Cups. It could be panghihinayang, regret over something. It could be a missed opportunity. Or it could be loss. Kung meron mang mawawala sa'yo, or aalis sa buhay mo. No? Ito ay pagiging sad kasi this thing or this person or situation is no longer nandito sa iyo, no. Could be dealing with a breakup, no. Pagkabigo kasi ito sadness, pagkabigo, panghihinayang, yung energy na parang nahihirapan kang tanggapin kung ano yung mga yung nag-end or nawala sa iyo, no longer with you. There could be water signs dito. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. But, alam mo yun, may mawawala man sa'yo. Maliwanag yan. May mawawala man dito, may mag-end. Merong bagong darating. And if this is a person, a relationship, it could be a water sign. Pwedeng mas bata siya sa'yo. Okay? There could be good news na paparating sa'yo since itong page na to is also about messages. Messages pala. Rather, correction. Three of Swords, may pagkabigo talaga. It could be kalungkutan, pagkabigo, ending, pagkawala ng bagay or person. It could be breakup, betrayal, no? Basta anything na masakit Pero sige, check natin yung mga iba pang paparating sa'yo. Pwede rin may air and fire, yung air and water pala, correction. Meron talaga, hindi lang pagkabigo, sadness, betrayal, pwedeng may mga, mga nakaka-stress, mga ipag-aalala, problema, for sure. Isa pa to, unsuccessful plans. Kaya pala may pagkabigo ka dito. May disappointment. Pwedeng hindi mo matanggap, mahirap tanggapin. Kasi itong dalawang cards na to, mahirap tanggapin yan So, yan, pwedeng may mga plano ka, hindi mag-workout, hindi mangyayari, or mag-fail, kung ano man yan, plans na yan, or gagawin. Pero after sabi ko nga, diba, after ng kabiguan mo sa pag-ibig, may darating na bagong person. At after netong kabiguan mo dito, unsuccessful plans, ay mapapalitan yan ng success in the future. So, itong dalawang cards na to is for the future, ha? Hindi ko masasabi kung within the ilang weeks, months, years, hindi ko alam. Okay? Hindi ko mapipredict yan. Basta ang something for sure, after ng pagkabigo mo, loss, failure, breakup, ay may darating na bagong person, which is water sign, tapos may darating din na success sa'yo. So, lahat ng ito na hindi magandang nangyari sa'yo, eventually mapapalitan ng success, do love, happiness. So, yun lang guys. Thank you so much for watching. Kung nagustuhan nyo, don't forget to like, follow, subscribe. Pa-leave na lang ng comment, reaction, pa-share na rin. Love you all. Babush!